Crafting the perfect thesis for literary analysis. Hello learners! Welcome back to our series on analyzing and interpreting literature. Today, we're diving into one of the most essential parts of literary analysis, developing a thesis statement. This statement will guide your entire analysis, so it's crucial to get it right. Let's begin. A thesis statement is a single sentence that expresses the main idea or argument of your essay. When analyzing literature, your thesis should offer a unique perspective on the text and give your readers a clear idea of what to expect in your analysis. For instance, instead of writing, Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet is a tragic love story, you might say, in Shakespeare's Romeo and Juliet, the power of fate challenges the strength of young love, leading to the protagonist's inevitable downfall. A strong thesis statement. 1. Is specific. Avoid vague words. Narrow down your focus. 2. Takes a stand. It should present an argument or interpretation, not just a fact. 3. Is arguable. There should be room for debate. 4. Is clear and concise. Avoid complex sentences. Keep it to the point. 5. Is relevant. Ensure it's directly related to the topic and the specific literary work. 1. Start with a question. For example, how does the symbolism in The Great Gatsby reflect the American dream? 2. Gather evidence from the text. Collect quotes, symbols, and themes that can support your argument. 3. Refine your statement. Based on the evidence, rework your thesis until it's a clear and concise reflection of your argument. 1. Making it too broad. Literature is a reflection of society. This is too generic. 2. Being too subjective. I love Pride and Prejudice because it's romantic. Your personal feelings aren't an objective analysis. 3. Just stating a fact. The Lord of the Rings is a fantasy series. This doesn't provide any new insight or perspective. Crafting a strong thesis statement is the foundation of a compelling literary analysis. Remember, your thesis guides your reader, providing a clear and arguable perspective on the text. Take your time, refine your statement, and ensure it embodies the core of your analysis. We hope this video has illuminated the path to developing your perfect thesis. Happy analyzing!